What is up, everyone? Kyle here, putting on the gurney flap for the wing. As you can see, I have the rib nuts drilled and placed. Oh, missing one there. Just kidding, I knew I was missing one. So I ordered the gurney flap from Zl1 Addons. You guys can see here, I'll walk over here. It's a decent sized gurney flap with a middle section. They gave me 8 pieces of hardware and I have to drill 9 holes. I've emailed them about it, haven't heard back yet. So I want to get this installed, so I'm probably just going to run to Lowe's and get an extra rib nut, because I have the tool. They sent me the tool, and then a screw to actually get it installed so I can get on there. And if they send me anything later, go ahead, but I don't want to wait around forever with that just to basically get it installed. So yeah, see, I got the rib nut tool there. Just took a drill bit, put some tape on it to make sure I don't overshoot the hole. Basically, the wing is super thin. So you don't have to really drill too far. I'll show you here. So you see the material isn't very thick, but I still did that just in case to make sure you don't over drill. The gurney flap's gonna go on there. So let's go to Lowe's, pick out what we need, get this installed, but it's annoying. I don't have all the hardware. I mean, it's not that hard. I paid extra for the black stealth hardware so it wouldn't show up. I didn't even get enough, but oh well, let's go get that taken care of. Went to Lowe's, went to Ace, couldn't find it. So we'll have to wait, order it from Amazon, we'll have to wait for it to show up tomorrow to be able to get them. But I am just missing that one there. Technically, I feel like I could still put the wing on, but I want to hold off till it's actually in. All right, guys, it is now day 2. Had to get some stuff from Amazon. Didn't have all the hardware. The company did make it right. They are sending me stuff to complete it, except it's gonna take a few days. Today's Friday, probably won't get here till Monday to Tuesday. I didn't want to wait, so I just went ahead and got my own stuff. So we'll get this opened and get that wing installed and finished up. These little things, all over Amazon. Couldn't find them anywhere else. Went to, it's like the Napa and the Advanced Auto Parts by me were out of stock of them. I went to Ace Hardware and Lowe's. Couldn't find any of these. Super annoying, but glad I got them now. Here we go. Got them all in now, and went ahead and replaced this one because that was a little off. But we are all good to actually install the wing here. Or I guess the wicker bill is what they call it. So this is what it would look like without the center part. Zoom in there. See, it just kind of sits like that. Pretty good. And then it comes with a center section. Will go in between there. So we'll get the center section attached and show you what that looks like, just for added downforce. there it is. It's on. You can see it has these large 4-inch vanes there, and then a center one, which is clear so you can see through. It does wiggle a little bit. I can tighten these up a little bit. And you can see 9 mounting holes. They only gave me 8, so I'm going to wait for the rest of the hardware to put that one in. That will line up. It's just the angle it's at. But yeah, guys, there it is. Definitely more downforce. Definitely more downforce. As you guys can see, this thing is actually pretty big. It's 4 inches. I got the larger one. I'm going to tighten it down a little bit more. It is a little bit flimsy, so it is going to want to move a little bit, but that is okay. Like I said, it's going to be built for a track car, so excited to see how that actually works. It is really cold today, like 44 degrees right now, and this is the warmest it's going to be all day. So I'm going to get it out some other time, test it out, see if it actually works, if there's any difference that I notice. But yeah, guys, other than a few mishaps here and there on parts, things like that, the hardest part's getting the other spoiler off, but there it is. That looks really good. So I'm excited. About a month away from my first event, so gotta get this thing dialed in, gotta get the new tune on there, the race tune, but hopefully it can be competitive against some actual fast cars.